Did you know that you can save up to 3 lakh rupees if you get an RTX A6000 instead of an RTX 6000 ADA? Now, confusing naming aside, your reaction will be, दोनों सेम ही तो लग रहे हैं, प्राइस डिफरेंस क्यों इतना? Well, both are very different GPUs. Different architecture, different generations, different pricing and very different performance, just like our intro today. लेकिन शुरू करने से पहले let's understand that this video is not for the gamers out there. I mean, गेम खेलने ही वाले हो तो RTX GeForce सीरीज ले लो, unless आपके PC के साथ कुछ प्रोफेशनल काम करने वाले हो. Professional graphic apps like Blender, Maya, V-Ray, AI and machine learning cloud computing companies like AWS, Google, Microsoft, ये सारे लोग प्रोफेशनल GPU यूज करते हैं. Professional. It's not like you can't game on this. We've seen more than 4K 50 FPS on all modern games. But topic से भटकते नहीं. Let's talk about A6000 and 6000 ADA. At first glance, ये दोनों GPUs भाई जैसे लगते हैं. Same 48GB DDR6, 4 display ports, a power draw of 300 watt with a very similar design. What makes them different is their architecture. Now RTX 6000 ADA is built on the ADA Lovelace architecture and the A6000 is built on the Ampere architecture. और यही main difference है. The ADA Lovelace has roughly 2x more cores than the Ampere version while having the same power limit of 300 watts. इसका मतलब no matter what application, if you're going for RTX 6000 ADA, you will easily get 1.52x more performance across all applications. चाहे वो AI हो या 3D loads हो या कोई भी दूसरा professional load. Now the only benefit of the A6000, it's the support of NVLink, which is actually very few applications benefit from. Now most AI and 3D applications में you don't necessarily need NVLink for multi-GPU support. उसके बिना भी आपका काम आराम से हो जाएगा multiple GPUs में. Now let's check the benchmarks. Now starting with V-Ray benchmarks based on CUDA and RTX cores, you can clearly see how this ADA GPU crushes the other one. लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे, benchmarks speak for themselves. Second number पे Blender के benchmarks with render mode and CUDA and optics. The RTX 6000 ADA outperforms by a huge margin. Like huge. The amount of time taken by A6000 is actually very large compared to ADA. ये सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन जब तक NVIDIA के कार्ड को NVIDIA के सॉफ्टवेयर से टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे तब तक मजा नहीं आएगा. So here we go again with NVIDIA Omniverse software to test these two GPUs with their limit. And again, ADA is ahead, crushing A6000 है. जब clearly ADA version इतना अच्छा है, why are people still buying the A6000? The answer is simple, the price. Now the ADA version is almost twice as expensive than the A6000. Basically, for double the price, you kind of get double the performance और बिजली का बिल भी बचेगा. So, should you go for the A6000 or 6000 ADA? Well, if you want a GPU that's cost effective, gets the job done without ever failing, the A6000 is a good option. But on the other hand, if time is money for you, the 6000 ADA will keep all your deliveries on time. Think about it this way. RTX A6000 में आप रात भर रेंटर पे छोड़ो, चाय वाय पियो, बाहर घूमो, दोस्तों के साथ जाके आओ और काम हो जाएगा. But ADA में उतना टाइम देने की जरूरत नहीं है. All your work will be done faster. And if you want a workstation or server PC with 3-year doorstep warranty, do visit themeep.in, where we nationally ship not only workstation PCs but also server solutions to many of our clients. We hope to see you in one of our stores in Gurgaon, Bangalore, Hyderabad or Mumbai. And if you're not in one of those cities, we're shipping nationally since 2015. Until next time,